Good morning here from the Penn State Campus Weather Service. I'm your student meteorologist, Devin Boyer, here on February 8th, 2013. We've got quite the busy day in terms of weather, so let's jump right into it with our weather headlines. We're expecting a mixed bag of precipitation to arrive around lunchtime. We'll see some rain, which will then change over to snow by the time we get to mid-afternoon. However, it won't be anything like what they're going to see up in New England throughout the next 36 hours or so, where they're expecting blizzard conditions. And then thankfully here back in central Pennsylvania, we are expecting the sunshine to return for the upcoming weekend. But first, let's take a look at your Mount Nittany webcam. You can see not much sun to be had here. In fact, it's quite foggy out across the Happy Valley area. We're sitting at 32 degrees at this hour here at State College. It feels like 26 with winds out of the south at about 6 miles per hour. As we take a look at your radar and satellite view, you can see we've got some rain showers off to our west here. Some really potent rain actually across the far eastern edge of Ohio, and this is associated with one of the storms that has worked its way from the north and west, and it's currently moving across the area. It'll continue to slide across the area, bringing us some snow showers. It's one of two storms. We have another storm that came up from the south, and these storms will actually merge over the course of the day today, and that is what's going to bring the nor'easter to the New England area. And so let's take a look at temperatures around our region for now. We're sitting at 31 degrees in Boalsburg, 29 in Stormstown at this hour. It's a little warmer up in Beech Creek, currently sitting at 34. And as we expand our view to the state, you'll see that again that general idea holds true. Temperatures in the low 30s across much of the state. We're at 34 in Williamsport at this hour, 31 up in Bradford. It's a little warmer off to the west where it's raining actually, 37 up in Erie, and then 36 down in Pittsburgh at this hour. Let's take a look at your day planner for today. Again, we're expecting cloudy skies to start off the day, 33 degrees at 8 a.m. with cloudy skies. By the time we get to 1 p.m., we are expecting the rain to enter the area and start to change over to snow with a temperature of about 34 degrees. And by the time we get to 5 o'clock and the end of the day, we're looking at being all snow with the temperature dropping back down to about 33 degrees. We can take a look at your Eye on the Future snowfall map here. If you're in these lighter blue shades, we're expecting anywhere from about 2 to 4 inches of snow. If you are off to the east, though, we're expecting a good bit more snow up in the northeastern part of the state. However, that won't even pale in comparison to the snow that they're expecting to see up in the New England area. As we alluded to, 1 to 2 feet are possible, especially if you're in these areas here in the lighter pink colors. They're going to get just pounded on with snowfall from this storm. Quite a historic event, actually. And so then we are expecting, as I mentioned, the winter weather here. We have a winter weather advisory for all of the counties shaded in purple and a winter storm warning where they're expecting some more snowfall for the counties in pink, both of those advisories until about 7 o'clock Saturday morning. So let's take a look at your forecast for today. We're expecting a high near 34 degrees, a mixed bag of precipitation early, as we've said, changing to all snow by mid-afternoon. We'll see winds out of the southeast at about 6 to 10 miles per hour. Your forecast for tonight, we drop off to about 20 degrees. The snow continues overnight, though, bringing us again a couple inches of accumulation. Winds will shift to the northwest at about 14 to 20 miles per hour as that storm wraps up on the east coast. And then looking at your forecast for tomorrow, we're expecting a high near 29 degrees. Snow showers early will clear out by early morning, actually, leaving us with mostly sunny skies for much of the day. Again, winds out of the northwest at about 10 to 17 miles per hour. So as we take a look at your 7-day forecast here, again, we have that mixed bag on Friday with a high of 35. By the time we get to the weekend looks nice with mostly sunny skies both Saturday and Sunday. Our next weather maker arrives Monday with a chance for some icy precipitation, but we do warm up with a high near 44 on Monday before we start to cool down throughout the rest of the week, though it does look a bit more settled. So that's about all the weather we have for you right now from the Penn State Campus Weather Service. We thank you for tuning in, and please stay safe if you're out on the roads later this afternoon.